How to create digital business cards in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool, Canva, in just a few minutes. Creating a digital business can be a great way to share your contact information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. Firstly, all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into canva.com. As you can see, this is the home page. Here we have Canva. We have also design spotlights, virtual documents first, visual sites, text presentation, whiteboards, PDF editor, graphs and charts. We have also photos and videos, video editor, YouTube video editor, photo editor, photo collages, background remover. Print we have business cards, invitation, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels. Marketing we have logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, QR code generation. Then we have your business, Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, contact sales. So you can just click over the one you want and get more information about it. Business solutions we have marketing, creatives, agencies, sales, communications, real estate, small and medium businesses, startups, franchises, all business solution. You can click over here and get it. Use case, content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorms and workshops, branded team templates, productivity and workflows. Then we have resources, business resources, case studies, features, integrations, and apps, security, enterprise onboarding services. You have education, teachers and schools, students, teachers resources, LMS integrations, case studies, higher education, become an education creator, create and publish your own resources on Canva and earn by sharing. So we have here others. As you can see, this is the home page. We have here what will you design today. Canva makes it easy to create and share professional designs. You can just start designing. As you can see, you have various things. First, you have posters, resumes, logos, tags, whiteboards, presentations, social, videos, websites, Instagram posts, brochures, video editor. Then we have here a perfect fit for everyone. Firstly, we have for one person, Canva free for designing or working on anything. Okay, Canva free. Then we have for one person, Canva Pro for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. You can just click over here and start. Then we have for your team, Canva Teams for teams to create together with premier workplace tools and workflows. You can just click over start free Teams trial or contact sales. So here we have chosen by well-known companies. First we have Reddit, Danone, Hub, Sony Music, and a famous company as you can see. Then we have here create with AI. We define the way you create with Magic Stereo, our site of AI powered tools that generate copy and you in your brand voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic Edit. Then we have design with others, invite friends and family to design with you or set your own team up to work together. Our collaboration features let you comment and work in real time on presentations, whiteboards, talks, videos, or that birthday party planning. Here we have templates for absolutely anything. Customize an office template or design something more personal like an invitation. As you can see here we have various things. First we have open house, marketing review, capital collocation, and as you can see we have here various things, various pictures. You can choose the one you want. Then we have the plan that gets down to business. Empower everyone to design together with Canva teams. First, we have AI powered efficiency. Leverage AI to create on brand copy, templates, and video editing. Then we have bring your brand in-house, set up brand kits and templates for your team to design with. You have beautiful approval flows, easily control the individual permissions, assign tasks and share your work. Then we are full of surprises. Here are some of our best traits you might not know about. Firstly, we have here, we've got on apps marketplace, we've got on desktop my app. Businesses love us, we make presenting easy. We have a video and a various things. As you can see, you can just click over the one you want and get more information. So let's give in some steps to create digital business card. So firstly we have step 1, choose a platform or application. Select platform or application. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital businesses cards, such as Canva or Adobe Spark, Vistaprint, and dedicated apps like Hi Hello, Camcard, or Highstack. Step 2 is sign up or log in. Create an account or log in. If you are using an app, download it from your app store and create an account or log in if you already have one. And we have select template. Firstly, we have browse templates. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Choose a template that fits your brand or personal style. Then select a template. Click on the template to start customizing it. Then we have step 4, customize your digital business card. Firstly, we have add your logo, upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add an image or logo. You have enter your information, include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, websites, and any other relevant information. Then we have customize the design, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create design that you like. Then we have add social media links, include icons and links to social media profiles to make it easy for people to connect with you online. Step 5, we have save and export. Firstly, we have preview your card before finalizing. Preview your digital business card to make sure everything looks good. Then save your card, save your design. Most platforms will save your card in account for future edits. Then we have export your card. Export your digital business card as a PNG or PDF file. Some apps also allow you to share your card via a QR code. The last step, we have share your digital business card via email, social media, and QR code. Via an email, we have attached your digital business card to your email signature so that every email you send includes your contact information. Via social media, we have share your digital business card on your social media profiles or send it directly to your contact. Via QR code, we have if you are platforms provides a QR code, you can print it on physical materials or display it digitally for others to scan and save your contact information. By following these steps, you can create a professional and eye-catching digital businesses card that you can easily share with others in a variety of ways. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.